Hi, so Bill here. This is a module recap about data visualization. So this is what you have learned so far all throughout this course, and we're gonna go through the core concepts. So you've learned how to authorize users who can view, cannot view, and also run reports. So that is a quite important skill, right? Where you granularly control who can basically view the data. So only authorized users, right, can basically view and create reports. So as we control the security settings, we have moved forward on how a report could be clickable. You have nested reports. So from a parent report, right? It could be coming from a dashboard, and you could basically drill down, and from there you could drill down and get more granularity from a high level going to granular or more specific data that you're looking for. So we also spoke about sharing reports. We have showcased how to send it via an email, right? Notification to the correct group, right? And only people who are allowed to view the report. So basically, it's connected to the authorization configuration, and only to the right people the report can also be shared, because there are instances that every 9 a.m., for example, a manager would like to see their report, right? Instead of like going to ServiceNow, they could just check their email, check the messages at the same time as part of the daily habit or routine, right? Is to see how the team is performing, how the incidents are resolutioned or solved, and so on. So we spoke about publishing unauthorized people as well, right? Who could like access to the report or dashboard, right? So it's basically again having control who can drill down or not. Scheduled reports, right? So we were talking about sharing by using scheduled, right? So using email notifications, right? And we also discuss about the type of report, like the percent completes, right? And then showing you the progression, right? Depending on how much is completed in a particular task. Is it 20%, 30%? How much is left? And so on. So we also showcased how to add reports in a UI 16 form. So it's quite powerful tool where as you populate the information in a form, you have the ability to have a high level view and of course a drillable report. And given the users the right persona, you see here that we made some adjustments earlier as well, that they could create charts, bar and pie charts, right, coming from a list. So the list is already rich of data. You can group them, right? At the same time, you can create reports and add them to a dashboard. And finally, we have consolidated all the reports, showed you how to create a dashboard easily without code, add tabs from a overview level going to a granular level, and showed you like you can add multiple reports and have the ability to choose the representation and configuration on what is more relevant to the viewer, depending on the persona. It could be a C level, could be a manager, director level, and so on. So I hope you enjoyed my course. Please follow for more, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next tutorial. Thank you.